Nail him first thing.
I'm gonna fucking nail him.
Yeah, that guy's just a right stuff.
So yeah, dude, that's your objective. Nail that stupid nail.
You
gotta
fucking
nail that
motor.
44.
Just nail him pretty clear.
Hey, what's this, Dean? Yeah.
We got some goofy kids walking our side.
Oh, these ugly fucking kids right here.
I don't know how that guy got most aggressive, but
Guy in neon, right?
is that a neon? Went with the 4 staff?
Can't walk. Braces. Looks like a neon. That was a newer style Cavalier.
And the way it
my car next weekend.
sounds like a high output.
Sound the sun for you. I'll be your sunshine.
There you go.
Bye-bye. Close your door.
My car next weekend will sound like that.
Yeah, there he said. Well, good luck, boys.
Two more eats. Ready to go?
Finals, yeah.
Okay, rock and roll.
Give her shit. What else do I need for that? Here.
6'6". That's that one?
Yep. Okay. 4X.
What's this one right here?
Okay, perfect. Get up there. It's go time.
Hey, let's go. Go time.
Okay, kids. Good luck, boys. Kick some ass.
That was one hell of a patch job.
Yeah. You want Jesse? Turn it on when you get there, Dean. Just leave it. Jesse will turn it on for you. Jess! Get his GoPros working for when he gets up there.
Let's see. Look at me.
Holy fuck, yeah, like 3 GoPros.
And now it's on. Trying to
Put it on the top one.
Top one's on, yeah.
Hey, Dean! Kick some ass, buddy! You do, RJ! Hey, hey, hold it! Hold it! Go forward, go forward! Forward, forward!
Hey, I'm only running on motor oil, so let's go.
You're trying.
Ready? Give her shit, buddy. Come on, Danny. Hey, Dino, let's go, buddy. We're gonna be after you, dude, so hang on tight.
Be a Perdonic and sandbag.
Fuck that, just go mental.
Kick some ass. Kick some ass, buddy. Fuck shit up for me. Dean, I'm taking you a profile picture. Go on, text me.
And you got it.
How much for 10?
Bye.